Sir.
What's up, officer?
Officer, just let you know you're being recorded, okay?
I'm headed to the DMV. That's where I'm going to get all my registration and everything.
You know your registration expired since 2021.
That's where I'm going.
So you have your license expired as well.
That's why I'm going to the DMV. Give me my paperwork here.
Yo, don't touch me. Don't
give me
like that.
Give me my paperwork. Get this on camera.
Legendary rapper and actor Ice-T, best known for his role as Detective Odafin Totella on Law and Order, was pulled over in New Jersey for what looked like a missing front plate on his Porsche. This took a turn when officers found his registration and license were expired, leading to a heated exchange with the star. Here is how it all went down.
Porsche 911 two-door color gray. Registration expired.
Step down one. How's it going, sir?
What's up, officer?
Officer Sella, Hudson County Sheriff's Office. Let you know you're being recorded, okay?
I'm headed to the DMV. That's where I'm going to get all my registration and everything straight on this car.
At first, everything appeared to be normal as a simple traffic stop, but things would soon escalate between the actor and the officer.
You know your registration expired since 2021.
That's where I'm going. I'm headed right there.
When did you decide to go and change?
Yesterday. I went yesterday, but they...
Yeah, but what I'm saying is your registration been expired since 2021.
The car's been parked.
Are you sure?
Yeah, of course I'm sure. That's why I'm trying to get this car set up to roll. Yesterday I went to the DMV and they said that their system was down, so that's where I'm headed. I got 7 cars. I'm trying to get them all straight.
You say you went to DMV yesterday? They said the system is down?
Yesterday, yep.
What time was your appointment yesterday?
I didn't have an appointment. They just take me.
You need to have an appointment to go to DMV.
I don't need one.
Why is that?
Because they know me.
Because they know you. Is your passport? Do you have a driver's license with you?
Yep. I'm getting that. That has... That's expired.
So you have your license expired as well?
That's why I'm going to the DMV.
Sir, even if it's 1 feet, you cannot drive with an expired license and expired registration.
I mean, why don't you follow me right to this garage right here? The DMV is right there. You don't got to be that serious about this. I mean, you can, but you don't have to.
Well, is it serious? So, give me 1 second.
I could park the car right here and then walk to the DMV.
That's 566.
It's 5-6. I'm good. I'm with our road.
Those are all the things.
You said you have other vehicles registered?
I have 7 vehicles.
Okay.
Receipt. Do you want me to start the hood?
It's 5-6. It's the standby. You could have drive the other vehicle who was registered and get this one registered.
Can I handle this? Can I handle this? You gonna take me to jail?
I'm not gonna take you to jail.
Okay, can I park the car here and walk to the DMV?
I'm gonna tow your vehicle. It's
No,
expired.
you're not. You're not gonna tow my vehicle. Let me park my car right here.
You're not gonna move your car, sir. You give me your keys right now, and I'm gonna tow your vehicle. You try to be more respectful with me, I'm gonna respect you the same way.
Well, then let me. You see, I'm going to.
No, you're not gonna tell me what to do. I'm gonna tell you what to do. So give me your keys right now. If you're gonna go that route.
I asked you, can I park my car?
I said not. Give me your keys, sir.
If I'm not under arrest, then I'm getting out of my car. Give me my paperwork here.
No, don't touch me. Don't
Give me
like that.
Give me my paperwork. Get this on camera. This motherfucker. I'm a foot away from DMV.
Keep your distance.
You are a fucking asshole.
I'm not an asshole. You've been an asshole to me.
You are. I'm an asshole. I'm trying to get to the DMV. I showed you all the paperwork. Let me start recording your dumbass.
So 5-6, start the hook and start me out the unit.
Alright, 5-6. You're in the parking lot for Dunkin' Donuts, right?
So 5-6, receive.
Alright, receive. Communications to SO83.
The actor began recording as the officer called for backup. Ice-T appeared visibly angry, frustrated that the officer didn't give him another option to register his vehicle.
I see the SO83. He's going to be 9001 Bergen Line, where the Dunkin' Donuts is. SO83 reaching. That's 5-6, Jacob notified him, bro.
So what happened, Sarge?
What's up, Sarge?
Hey, what's going on, brother? How are you?
I'm trying to get to DMV to register my cars.
Okay.
I got all the paperwork and everything there. I asked the officer, could I just go over here or even park my car so that I could walk over there and get all my paperwork together. He says he wants to tow my car.
All right, give me a second. Let me find out what's going on here, and then we'll figure something out, okay?
Okay.
Right,
It's doing
so-
a little too much, Sarge.
Okay, so what I was going to do is just issue him a ticket, let him park here. Okay. He jumped out of the vehicle, he didn't even ask me. He came so close to me.
I
And he
didn't
said,
get close.
he called me an
Right.
asshole. He called me an asshole, and he said, give me all your paperwork right now.
All right.
And everything's been recorded. And your vehicle's been towed. And you're receiving tickets.
I think that's for 20.
You for, right now? For tactical purposes.
The officer received permission to issue the actor 4 tickets, including one for driving with a suspended license.
What's up, Sarge?
Oh shit, I forgot to, Alright, you can issue him a ticket and that's gonna be it, right? He's gonna leave the car here?
Up to you, whatever you want to do.
Yeah, we'll go with that, okay?
You're going to leave the car here? Okay.
Yeah, he's gonna park the car here.
No
and,
problem.
Go across the street and get, the paperwork for the car.
Okay, but he's getting 4 tickets, though.
Alright, okay.
Driving a registered motor vehicle, driving with an expired license.
Okay.
Improper display, he got no front plates and no inspection sticker.
Okay. How many did you make out already?
What's that? 4.
You made 4? You already sent them in?
Not yet.
Yes? Can you bring it down to 2?
Nah, I'm sorry.
Okay. All right. No, that's up to
Please.
you, bro. I can't
Okay.
tell you. Okay. All right.
I can't tell him as a sergeant what to do. Okay? I can guide him and I can make a recommendation. He's going to give you 4 tickets. Okay? I asked him not to give you the 4 tickets, but he could bring it down to 2. He said no, he's giving you the 4 tickets.
What are the 4 tickets?
He says you have no front plate, no inspection sticker, no registration, and your driver's license is expired.
Okay.
All right. All right.
That's over 22.
I did, yeah, I did.
Okay. All right.
So I know if you want to come with me or...
Yeah.
Okay.
So they know that that you're not going to get the tow and that you're going to...
Yeah, I'm 11 right now.
Okay. Yeah, I'm sorry. I don't know if he told you, but everything's being recorded on these body cameras, so... Okay.
So, as for my sergeant, we're not going to tow your vehicle, but you're receiving summonses. Here's your keys. Here's your paperwork, driver's license, everything you gave me. You're receiving a ticket for no front plates.
Where's all the other paperwork?
It's in there. Everything you gave me. It's in the vehicle. You have no inspection, driving expired registration, and driving with expired license.
Right. You're, like I said, you're going to leave the car here and just go to DMV.
Yeah. I'm walking DMV and handle the business.
So, but you do know your registration is expired and your license too. Right?
That's what I'm going for.
Okay.
I'm going to do all that.
I'm just letting you know that I didn't know if you just knew your registration was expired. You got both.
I got everything.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. No, I'm good.
All right. You told
Just
him
the
already?
way he treated me,
Okay.
I was going to park the vehicle. No tickets issued, but just next time show some respect. That's all I got to say.
I don't have to.
All right. Let's.
Okay, I don't have either.
All right.
So, you have a great day, sir.
All right.
In the end, the actor was able to resolve the situation, fixing the issues and paying the fines in full. But it raises the question, was the officer fair in handling this, or could they have been more lenient considering the circumstances? Let us know what you think.